Hi friends, we have been talking about patterns a lot lately, and you know how to create an AB pattern, an ABC pattern, and an AAB pattern. Well, I'm going to show you what a growing pattern is today. This is a brand new one that you probably have not heard of. A growing pattern does just what it says. It grows, okay? So I've got a couple different things here that we are going to create growing patterns with, all right? Now, the first thing I'm going to use is these blocks. Do you see my blocks? And we are going to make a pattern, which a pattern repeats, right? And this pattern is going to grow. So my first one is going to be one block. Now, if I wanted that to grow, my next one could be 2 blocks. Do you see that? What would come next in my growing pattern? 3 blocks. So let me get 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my pattern right now is 1, and then 2, and then 3. What would come next? 4. Do you see how it grows every time? Every time it gets bigger, it's growing. It's a growing pattern, okay? All right, now let's try it with markers. All right, so I've got some markers here in my narwhal cup. And if I wanted to make a pattern kind of like this growing pattern, but with markers, it would look a little different, wouldn't it? So let's start with 1 marker. Let me move all these over. Whoops, they fell. Okay, so here's 1 marker, right? Now, I could do it this way and then do 2 markers. Do you see that? And my next one would be 3 markers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, or what if we tried it like this? I'm gonna stack them and see if it works. So I have 1, and now I have 2. Let me see if these will stack. And now I have, oh, will it stand up? I have 3. Ah, that one's too tall, it won't stand up. Okay, do you see what the growing pattern looks like? Yeah, so there are all different types of things that you can use to make a growing pattern. Okay, it repeats itself just like the other patterns, but it grows. All right, boys and girls, make sure that you go to Seesaw and you create a growing pattern and you send it to me so that I can see what it looks like. Okay, have fun.